Well, guys, I know you're tired. You're coming back from an event, a party, or whatever. You just want to sleep. You want to take out this makeup. Do not pull out your lashes. Don't do it. Use a makeup remover or use soap and water. If you want to be so lazy, you don't want to go to the bathroom and start washing your face, you can use a wipe, a makeup remover. I have this one right here. I got it from one of the stores, maybe TJ Maxx. Yeah, I think it's TJ Maxx. Makeup remover, you can have a scent or nothing, just regular, it's fine. I usually go more with this to add more like a makeup remover liquid to make it go more effectively. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of makeup remover. Then I'm gonna go, I'll do this one side. I'm gonna go on the eye like this. Don't you dare pull out your lashes. Please do not do that, because you're gonna pull out your own natural lashes. You don't want to do that. You need your lashes for the days you don't do makeup. It's not every day you're gonna wear makeup. So sometimes you do just a mascara and you need some lashes to put the mascara on. I'm just gonna do half of my face so you can see the difference. How this is so effective in taking out your makeup. For the lazy ones that don't want to wash your face, I usually go with a makeup remover, then I wash my face. So I'm focusing more on the eyelashes. So the makeup remover that I put, I stick there, keep going around my eyelashes. To like weigh down the glue. And you're gonna see it's gonna be easier to take it out. Like when I'm doing this, I'm playing around the glue with the makeup remover. It's gonna take it out slowly. You can reuse your lashes. Don't you be in a haste to like see one side. For the lazy ones, you don't have to wash your face. This go a long way. See? Since I'm working with my eye that's sensitive, I'm going to take another one. I'm going to take the whole clean one. This time around, I'm going to focus on my eye only. Tired. I went to this baby shower. It was fun. My friend, co-worker. She's having twins, 2 boys. That's so lovely. I have a short video on the baby shower I went to today. You follow on my page. See, it's making it weak when I do it like that. I'm doing on the bottom. Some movement I'm doing on the bottom and on the top. Like I'm just playing around, putting some makeup remover on the lashes and my eye, on the false lashes and my eyelashes to weaken the glue. That's my point, weakening the glue. So that when I'm going like, see, just pull it slowly. Pull it slowly. If it's hard, you stop. Don't fuss it. Keep doing like that with the makeup remover. We're trying to save eyelashes. Going in with makeup remover. Going in. And I'm coming back again. See? Yay! See? Easy. Took out the eyelashes. I used to have some natural eyelashes you could use with some mascara on. you're not trying to take it all out. Do not pull out your eyelashes when you come back tired from an event or to take out your makeup. Do not pull it out. If you don't have the patience or you to go wash your face with soap, even that is delicate. So the best thing I advise you to do is to play around with the makeup remover like this. You see, I still have my lashes. I can still use them. I can still use my lashes. I'm just taking out the glue on it. This is natural hair, they say. I'm taking out the glue on it. See? Taking out the glue. And my lash is still safe to be used for next time. I can still use it for next time. Save your eyelashes. And I'm going like this to take out the glue that's left on my eyelashes. I'm still playing with the makeup remover. And take out the glue, the excess glue that's sticking on my natural eyelashes. Do not force it. Go slowly. Play around with your makeup remover or wash your face. At this level, you could still wash. You could go by washing your face with 2 wipes and some makeup remover, and that's it. You do the same thing on the other side of your face, and you're good. I'm sorry, I'm looking more at the mirror in front of me, not the camera. Okay, and that's it. To curl my makeup remover without messing or losing no eyelash. Do not pull out the eyelashes when you come back from your party. Do not pull it out. You might be tired, like, well, I want to sleep. No, don't do it. Do not do it. Take the patience and the time with a makeup remover and the makeup remover liquid and play with it from the top and the bottom, tap, 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 until the makeup remover go into the glue and lose it out, so you can easily pull out the lashes without taking out your own lashes. So that's the best way, I believe, the best method I'm using to take out my lashes after a long day of partying. Take out my makeup. I hope this video was helpful to somebody. I hope you like it. Don't forget to put a thumb up or share the video if it was helpful, so it can help someone else. Thank you. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I have a lot of videos, different other contents, because I'm a fashion designer. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.